Today, we're leveling up a classic, the ultimate shrimp egg fried rice. Scallions are a must. Peel and devein your shrimp, but save the heads and shells for our secret weapon, shrimp oil and stock.
Pat them dry to avoid splatter. Sear those shells until deeply fragrant, then strain. Now, deglaze the shells with hot water for a quick, concentrated stock. Sauté the shrimp in that vibrant oil, slip once they color, season with salt, and pull them at 80% doneness. Set aside.
In the same pan, use a blend of shrimp and neutral oil. Hit it with scallions, then scramble the eggs until fluffy.
Day-old rice is king for texture, but can be dry. The fix? Hydrate it with splashes of that shrimp stock for a perfect bouncy bite. Season with soy sauce. The oil and stock elevate this to a whole new level. Plate it up, drizzle more shrimp oil on top, and you're ready.